Hey guys, so there's a brand new Easter hunt live right now in Brookhaven on Roblox. And trust me, you're gonna wanna check this thing out. This year's event has several difficult levels, starting from baby mode all the way up to the extreme mode. And yep, you guessed it, extreme mode is where the real challenge and fun begins. So, your goal. Your goal is to collect all the eggs in each mode, and if you manage to collect the entire event, you get an exclusive egg launcher vehicle. It's super cool and totally worth the grind. Let me break it down for you by difficulties. So, baby mode, this one is super chill. You only need to collect 10 eggs, and most of them are literally just lying around near the spawn point. Spawn point is where you saw this table with the egg map. This is right over here. It would be super easy, and you will find these eggs in a few minutes. Nothing special. Here you see it's nothing. We can try a little bit more. Nothing. Oh, shame. So the second mode is still kinda simple. You will notice red indicator that marks specific objects. Just look around those areas and you will find the 15 eggs uh, you will need. A little more searching, but nothing too crazy. The third, medium mode, now it starts to spread out a bit. The 20 eggs are placed around a large area, so you will need to explore a bit more and actually pay attention. Still manageable, but not as quick as the first two. We still didn't find any egg, but we will move to hard mode. Alright, now we are getting serious, and in hard mode you will be hunting down 25 eggs. They are tucked away in harder to reach spots, so expect to do some climbing and sneaky searching. It's a challenge, but if you know the map well, you will get through it easily. And for the last one, for the extreme mode, this one is for the pro. You will need tools like a ladder and sleeping bag to reach certain spots. The eggs are hidden all over Brookhaven, even in outer parts of the map. You will need to find 35 eggs total, and it definitely takes some time, but this is the true Easter egg hunt experience. So yeah, whether you are just hoping it for a quick round or going all out in extreme mode, this event has something for everyone. And again, don't forget the reward for finishing all the levels is the awesome egg launcher vehicle. Totally worth it, I think. In the description, I will I have got for you some little help where to find all eggs hiding spots in extreme mode. And guys, so let me know which mode you have completed so far and drop a comment below. Thank you.